Welcome to JH. I've been testing these HHVB GLP-1 health boost drops for a few weeks now, and honestly, I'm pleasantly surprised by the results. They're incredibly easy to take and have a mild taste that doesn't make me want to reconsider my life choices every morning. Since I started, I've noticed a steady climb in my energy levels and a significant drop in my appetite. Finally, a way to ignore the fridge that doesn't involve a heavy-duty padlock. I'm making healthier food choices and actually feel in control of my cravings for once, which is a nice change of pace from my usual snack-driven lifestyle. The added perks of improved digestion and better sleep have been a fantastic bonus, making me feel much more balanced and healthier overall. I really appreciate that these drops rely on natural ingredients like moringa and turmeric, because apparently, if it's not a root or a leaf, it doesn't count as wellness these days. The formula is designed to support weight management, blood sugar, and heart health, which fits perfectly with my actual goals. Since it's a liquid supplement, adjusting the dosage is simple, which is great for anyone with minor commitment issues. While it's certainly not a miracle cure, because those only exist in late-night infomercials, it has been a very helpful addition to my routine. If you're looking for a natural boost for your health journey, these drops are definitely worth considering.